in this age, everyone is thinking, oh, I am the greatest. Who can become more than me? Ahankara will have. This material world is like that. Everyone is thinking like that, greater than me. There is a struggle for this Vibhuratma, competition. But at the end, he is under the control of nature. Everyone knows it. Because ultimately the death will come and all ahankara will be taken away. I don't care for God. I independent. I am God. All these ahankara, false egotism, on account of being bewildered. These things will be finished when Krishna will come as death. Everything will be finished. Mrityu sarva harastaham. Krishna has described himself that I am death. I am death and I take away all your possession. That's all. As death. It will be taken away. However intelligent we may be, however proud we may be for our possession, but the death is sure as death. And when death comes, the death is also another form of Krishna. He will take everything, just like Hiranyakashipu. He was very, very proud of his possession. He was controlling over the three worlds. He was chastising his own son, Prahlad Maharaj. In this way he was very, very proud. But when Krishna came as Nrsimhadev, everything was finished within a second. Krishna therefore presents that your real problem is birth, death, old age and disease. Your real problem. You are making solution of all the problems by scientific advancement, by education, by so on, political maneuver. It is all right. But how you are going to solve this problem? Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanudarsanam. How you solve this problem? Actually, human life is meant for solving this problem, not this temporary problem. Temporary problem will go on. If you don't solve this problem, janma mrityu jara vyadhi, then any form of life, there will be problems. Even if you are elevated to the heavenly planets, there are also problems. Indra is not very happy there, the king of heavenly planet. Although the higher planets, the duration of life, the standard of civilization, standard of comfort, many, many thousands times greater than here. But the same problem, janma mrityu jara vyadhi, is there. You cannot avoid. But actually our problem is that nobody wants to die. That's a fact. But death is enforced. No young man wants to become old man, but it is enforced. You cannot avoid. So, we should understand this is sense that we are not independent. That's a fact. Prakriti Kiramana. And above Prakriti, there is Krishna. Maya dhakshena Prakriti swayati sachalacharam. Hetunani na kaunteya jagadvi parivartate. So, therefore, Krishna is accepted as the supreme controller. Everyone has got some capacity to control. Every one of us, you are also controlling your family, controlling your business, and I am controlling this institution, and so on. So everyone has got some. But we are controller of a limited circle, but we are controlled also. That is our position. Not that I am simply controller, but I am controlled by higher authority. So therefore I am not supreme controller. I am controller, Ishvara. But here is one Ishvara, Krishna. Ishvara Parama. He is supreme controller. Why supreme controller? Because he is not controlled by anyone. That is Krishna's position.
Jai Krishna, Krishna, Jai Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Krishna, Krishna, Jai Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Radhe, Radhe, Jai Radhe, Jai Shri Radhe. Jai Radhe, what our lives have been, who we really are. It is me, Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Krishna, Krishna, Jai Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Krishna, Jai Radhe, 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 Jai Shri Radhe. Jai Radhe. Few sweetness flows to anyone of those who care to look his way. See you smile, Jai Shri Radhe. Jai Krishna, Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna. He is complete, 3 worlds at his feet, source of every star.